Hey guys, this time on JKGarage, it's part 2 of the budget exhaust series, and we are deleting the muffler on my 99 Subaru Forester. This mod was real cheap for me since I had all these exhaust parts laying around from our swap series. And you can see here we just deleted the muffler, but I can still put it back on if I want to. And my personal favorite part of this is the tip. We actually just cut the resonator right in half, and you can still see both pipes in there, but it sounds sick.
That's it for this time on JK Garage. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.